Hello guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to change the username on your MacBook M1 or M2. Let's go! First go to System Settings. Then find the Users and Groups section. Be sure to choose Admin Account and right-click on it. Go to Advanced Options, enter your password and click Unlock. Find full name and type the username you want. Then press OK and you are done. If you want to check it, go to Apple logo and scroll to the lock screen. I hope it helped you and thanks for watching.